or woman, I don't really know, but he looks hilarious. Yay. Okay, well, I'm gonna go now. Very fun time. I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe if you did. Eee! Oh, hey, this is Mr. Derpy on Helium. And I sound really good right now. You know, I don't really sound like Jake, and I don't think I'm ever gonna sound like Jake again, but I would just like to admire this man one more time. He looks amazing. He reminds me of a potato. Okay, so this is what makes you beautiful. See, he is now a musician. He looks absolutely amazing. And I think you guys should all respect what he looks like, who this person is, and I think it's a girl, so I don't really know why it's on a man's body. I mean, it has long hair, but that's about it.
And now I'm going back to my original voice.